Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about decrement operator in Java. So basically, what is the symbol of decrement operator? Minus minus. Okay. This is the symbol of decrement operator. So the decrement operator minus minus will decrement the value of a variable by 1. It will decrement the value of a variable by 1. It can be classified into two types. And what are the two types? Pre-decrement and post-decrement. Two types are this. Fine. And decrement operators are also unary operators because this operator perform operation on one operand. Fine. Number of operand involved in this operation is 1. That is the reason decrement operator is a unary operator. Now let's cover pre-decrement case first. So pre-decrement, see, if the decrement operator is placed before variable, then it is called as pre-decrement operator. For example, this case minus minus a is a variable, and see this is what the symbol of decrement operator, and it is present before variable. So this is what, this is pre-decrement case, and in this case the value is decremented first and then the value is used in an expression. For example, this, see, int a is equal to 10. So a is equal to 10. So int b is equal to minus minus a. It is a case of pre-decrement. So first the value will be decremented. So the initial value of a was what? 10. So it will decrement by 1. So it will become 9. And then what will happen? Then the assignment will take place. Fine. So the first step is what? Decrement will take place and then the assignment is going to take place. So see, initial value of a is what? 10. Then the value of b is what? 9, and the final value of a is what? 9, because a got decremented by 1. Fine. This thing is clear. So what will come in this system.out.println? Now a becomes what? 9, and then you have 3 dashes, and then b. So b 9 is assigned to b, right? So 9. You will get this on the console output. If you want to see, let me show you. So where is my operator? This. So see, int a is equal to 10. Then int b is equal to minus minus a. Then system dot out dot println. Then I want to print a. To separate them, I am using this 3 dashes b. Save this file and go to the location where this file is saved and open the command prompt from this location. Okay, I have already opened this location, okay, where the file is present. Now compile the file javac operators dot java. Compiled, fine. Run the program. Java operators. See, you got 9 9. Same I saw in the PPT also, right? Fine. Now the next case. The next case is post decrement. What we are going to learn? Post decrement. Fine. So if the decrement operator is placed after variable, then it is called as post decrement operator. For example, here see, a is a variable and this decrement operator is placed after the variable. So this is the case of what? Post decrement. And in this condition, value is first used in an expression and then decrement of a value take place. Fine. For example, here see, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to a minus minus. So see, initial value of a is what? 10. So first assignment will take place. Fine, because int b is equal to a minus minus. So first assignment will take place, means first b becomes what? 10 because the initial value of a is equal to 10, and then decrement will take place. So a got decremented by 1, then a will become what? 9. This is what here. This is the story. So you are printing system.out.println a plus hyphen hyphen then plus b. So what will be the output? What is the final value of a? 9 hyphen 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 then b. B is 10. So this is what's the initial value of a is 10, then the value of b. First assignment will take place, right? So b become 10 and then final value of a become 9 because decrement take place. So you have to remember this point. Value is first used in an expression and then decrement the value by 1. This is in the case of post decrement. If you want to see, let me show you this also quickly. So here just change this. No changes required, right? Save this and go to the CMD, compile and then run the program. Fine, run the program. See, 9 10. That's what we discussed. And what is the flow? You know this thing better now. Still you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Next, important points regarding decrement operator. Whatever point we have covered for the increment operator, the same point is applicable for the decrement operator also. For example, applicable only for variables, not for constant value. If you are trying to apply this on constant value like 10 here, then you will get a compile time error saying that required is a variable and found is what? Value. Unexpected type. Required is variable and found is value. Next rule. Nesting is not allowed for decrement operator. Fine. So what is nesting? We have already covered. See, here we are doing a nesting of decrement operator. So this is not allowed. If you're trying to do this type of thing, again you will get a compile time error saying unexpected type, required is variable but found is what? Value. So nesting is also not allowed. You have to remember this point, that nesting of decrement operator is not allowed. Next point regarding the boolean, right? So decrement operator is applicable for every primitive type except boolean type. If you will do like this, boolean b is equal to false, boolean b is equal to false, then b minus minus. What does this means? False minus minus. Is it making any sense? No. So you will get a compile time error saying bad operand type boolean for unary operator minus minus. So these all are the cases that we have to cover in decrement operator. So I have not shown these things practically because in the increment operator lecture I have shown this thing practically. So just you have to change this sign, right? In the decrement case, minus minus will come and you can do a practice. So that's all about the decrement operator in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the further updates.